What's up, print fam? Welcome back to the print shop. I've been contemplating today what to record because it's been a few weeks since I've uploaded a video, and it comes down to just not knowing what to make. I don't want to make something just to make something. So today we're going to show you the remodeled office so you can see what that looks like, as well as just if you could comment what you would like to hear or see from me. There's a lot of changes happening in the business, and some of them I'm not going to talk about publicly on YouTube. I will have them as part of the private community that is paid for, no obligation. I'm still going to try to provide as much value here as I can. There's just certain things that I basically need to gatekeep. One, for understanding, and two, for like the sake of privacy, I guess, for both myself and customers. So I'll leave links to everything down below, but that's kind of why. But if you could let me know kind of what videos you want to see, any additional things or stuff you want me to talk about, please let me know. But let's jump into the remodel. We'll start up here because this is one of the biggest areas that have changed. So far, we've painted the walls and we've got the desks set up for the salespeople. So we've got two desks here. One is behind me, or behind you, in front of me, and another one right here. This office is going to be kind of a phone room, take a phone call, meet with someone, so you can close it off. Right now, it's got a bunch of shirts that we need to inventory so that we can sell. But we painted the walls white from the bluish color that they were, added dark trim. I finally framed the poster from Space Station that will hang up in my office. It just got painted yesterday. So I'm keeping my office. We are making this the phone call room, and then this is the sales bullpen. So let's go downstairs. We did paint the stairwell as well. We'll run downstairs, but I'll show you kind of a high-level view of the back right now. Taylor is Snapchatting me. He's hiding right there. Anyway, yeah, tumbler storage here, embroidery department right here, miscellaneous storage, and then the laser department is still over in the corner. Still have tumblers stored there as well. We're now at the bottom of the stairs. This door goes out to production. We installed a water filling station, and then we walk out here and we've got the lobby. So the intent is that people can come in here, we can quickly meet with them here, or we have the kind of conference room. So we've got a couch, a table to set stuff, we've got the TV up on the wall, so we can cast stuff up there, show presentations, etc. This is a super comfy couch. I would like to take naps on it. Last room is just customer service. So we only have one right now. So she is in here by herself, but she has the day off today. So lots of fun stuff going on here. Like I said, I'd love to know what you'd like to see from me, and let me know how I can help. But more stuff like the actual code to my automation or my suppliers that I'm not going to share publicly are in that paid group if you want access to that. Again, no obligation. I appreciate all of you being here, watching. And again, I'd love to know what you want to see from me. Leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.